Okay, anyway.
Alright. I am
over
sorry
here.
about that.
You know, let's see some...
Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled video.
Action. Something's all over those bulbs. Cool. Alright, now we're going to go outside and check out the fire alarm system. Now, like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and apologize for how this is going to look. There's the door closer if y'all want to see that. If y'all are curious what's in here is just the stove room, but brought a little bookshelf up here and, you know, just make it look more cool. Still gotta put this, got this for the door closer, still gotta put it on. Brought a little table and chairs up here, so. Here's the water stove. Obviously it's off, but it's actually still in here. Just joking. Oh, it's not plugged in, so. Where did it plug in? Never seen it. Well, maybe that's not what it got. Right there, I think. That outlet. I don't know why I've never seen that. This thing gets stuck all the time. It's scraping again. It does this sometimes. It scrapes right in there. Okay, and here we go out to here. And now we will check out your fire alarm system. Okay, go ahead and work my magic. And you gotta stop it once you get in here so it doesn't hit that nut. And it did anyway. Oh well. Anyway, let's go ahead and get the lights on in here. So, starting off, like I said, not very professional at all. But I have a simplex pull station. And a system sensor spectral alert advanced. Like I said, it's not professional at all. That's because someone broke my conduit. So I'll tell you who it was. My brother. My brother, you know, was playing with it around like, you know, like with a sword, which is about the most stupidest thing you can do. And of course, he had to slam it against one. It broke. I actually saw it happen. Obviously, I was like, stop, but he broke it. And there was nothing I could do with two broken pieces of conduit. It was actually quite long, and I was able to get it for free, but as you know, good things don't last for long. I got it, measured it, and it was perfect for right here, but sure enough, someone took and broke it, so that's sad. Another thing I can't figure out, this isn't about garage doors, but this one right here, see, has two rails, and the one roller goes on the top rail, and this one goes on the bottom. See, two rails instead of just one. Well, this one right here is shoving, that's what I call it, that top rail back. See, it's bent the top rail back slightly. See that, how it's leaning back? And the chain on this one is pretty loose, as you can see right there. It's hanging down a little bit, but nothing to be concerned about. Okay, and the reason it's not in the attic or in the other rooms, because if you haven't known yet, we moved. Well, obviously you didn't know yet. Anyway, yeah, so hopefully I can get this in conduit, but right now we're just going to be testing. Coming out here, we actually, this hasn't happened yet because I've been too lazy, but there's actually, you see this pipe here coming out? That is preparation. Oh, that feels so good in bare feet walking through warm leaves. That pipe is in preparation for a fire alarm out here. It's going to be coming out, running down that pipe. And I'm going to have a bat box right in here. It comes out of this pipe. You can see basically what it is currently an extension cord coming out here. But you're going to have a bat box there, and that'll be the outdoor fire alarm. But like I said, I haven't done that yet. Been too lazy. But that's where the well, it doesn't have to be outdoor because it's covered. I'm thinking about putting a wheel lock NS out there. Spiderweb I just knocked down yesterday and the day before. If it's too loud, it'll bother my cousins. My cousins are also renting the house to us, which is how I'm doing it. After that, like I said, I apologize. It's not better. It will be next time. Over here, we got a security system. It's just some G smart home I found at the last minute back in Memphis. You've seen this in multiple videos. They should appear right there on the screen. Or right there. But anyway, we will be testing it today. Currently, it's not armed, but yeah, basically you type in your access code, hit 3, and it will arm. But obviously it's not armed now. So, because that was the incorrect code. That's the second one I got. The original one I got, you don't know that the sound that didn't work. It was the one that didn't have the wire. It was just this and one like this. But there's the other end of it. And someone is... Who is that? I don't know that person. Who is this person? Anyway, yeah, it's a G smart home. So, yeah, like I said, planning to expand out that pipe to there, so, and, so, right out there. But yeah, this is the system sensor specular advance. It came on 15, but I turned it up to 95, which I figured was just right. When I test this at night, obviously when they're away, it looks pretty cool. So anyway, I guess we can go ahead and start testing. I might put these in later. I'm really not in the mood. We'll test the security system next, but we're gonna go ahead and start with this. Let me... Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good?
This is for Jessica Allen?
Yep.
All right, there you go.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Can I turn around right here? And go back out?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah, you can. Just be careful of this brick wall down here. Yeah, I'll see that's a big ledge right there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start testing. Said hope to add on out there, but said that'll be happening later in the future. So, there goes the Amazon lady. You can tell we're in Surrey County when they don't even drive Amazon trucks. That's our Amazon truck. Alright, so, let's get testing. Alright, let's go ahead and get testing. By pulling the Simplex 49. Let me go ahead and get the key ready. And I don't have the key out here. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This next part's embarrassing because I actually had to pause the video because I was having such a hard time getting my earbuds on here. You can hear it sort of well from here, but I'd still like to put one out here. Yeah, run it out there. Well, I am going to put one out here. I have the wire. I just haven't done it yet. And there's my bike. That'll get stuck sometimes. Oh. Still haven't put up the panel yet either, but I don't know if I will. We're only going to be living here for a year. Take the Simplex speed key. This is a copy and it does not work at all. Lucky if I can do it without a bunch of finagling. Alright, next we're going to test the security system and then we'll combine it. Maybe if my ears can stand that. Alright. Go ahead and punch in our code. And arm it. So, let's do that. Well, let's just arm it like this. Just gotta wait around 30 seconds. If you hear an alarm go off, I'm testing my security system. Sounds cheap. Alright. Now, we're going to go ahead and test both of them at the same time. We're going to go ahead and let this be getting armed. So, yeah, let's do it. Okay, arm it. Of course, this is when my neighbor will pull in, so we're not gonna let this happen for long. Just my luck, my neighbor will pull in right when we're testing this. Currently, they're not here. They got a holiday park. They're still in the process of arming. All right, it's armed. I got stuck a little bit there. Yo. Okay, made it to the bottom. Store's finicky. Pop my earbuds in real quick. Why'd that stop? First you hit off, type in your access code. I gotta tighten that chain. It keeps getting stuck and not doing right like it should. Successful
Successful test. Like I said, next time y'all come, there's going to be a lot of expansions. I guess we'll walk test this and see how far we can go without hearing this. Okay. It's loud. The way it used to be, you could hear it wail even from inside. Like, I mean wail. Give us some more light in here. Fine. Alright. That will be it for now. We're gonna head inside because I got one last treat for you. Hey. Well, I forgot to arm the security system. That's oops! Oh no! There's one smoke detector. I forgot. Oh yeah. Sorry, bro. There's something. We got a key lockbox in here since I already have these keys with me. You can't get in the house. You unlock this because I already have these keys with me, like always. And then in here, we got a key lockbox. This lock's always difficult too. See this 10-pound fire extinguisher? You sit here, you know, or if something in the kitchen caught fire, I could get it. Cat knocked it down the steps. It's a wonder it didn't explode, especially since it's K.B.A. I'm gonna test the smoke detector right outside the door. What? Yeah, sure. Can I test this? Watch what it does. Watch what it does. Look. Really needs to be replaced. Hold on. See? Yeah. I'm not a fan of Nest Protect, but I like their voices better.
Oh, then it starts doing this.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
So you can do either one, right?
Yep. And it has that little voice.
Yeah,
Alright.
over.
Alright, let's go.
You think she'll finally be there?
Yep. Okay. That being said, that'll be it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy it. And that'll be it.